Oreo's sound asleep. Oreo, hey sweetie, wake up. Shouldn't have eaten your babies, you would have had company. She had a couple of babies that I seen and then they disappeared while I was away. Poor girl, maybe something was wrong with them. But I'll put Ginger in with her again. Here's Mama Pepper with her babies. When were they born? On the 12th, I think they're... I'm totally lost with calendars right now, being off of work. But anyways, yesterday I noticed one of the eyes open on the little baby Pepper, which the kids have named Sugar. Come on, Pep. Let us see them. Come on out. Everybody let go. Yeah, there's more. Yeah, there's the baby Pepper right there. See that eye open there? Other eye starting open too. Or maybe it's that Pepper because... yeah, there's a number of eyes open there I'm seeing. Guys. I'm going to sit you like this for a minute. And I'm going to run and check the calendar. Yeah, they were born on February the 12th. Did anybody come in front here? February the 12th, 2014. Did I say 12? February the 12th. 12. Oh, whatever. I'm losing it. Where's Gingy? Gingy! Oh, there you are. Hey, Gingy! Hey, Gingy! Hey, Gingy! Hey, Gingy! There's baby Gingy! Hey, baby Gingy with an eye open! Hey, Mimi! Anyways, that's it. A little bit of greens. A little bit of life. Oreo one more time. She might be hanging up there for treats. I dropped treats in there. That's her. Say goodbye to the camera.